Hi guys, and welcome to another Yum Yum Amazon. Today I am unboxing my chest mount harness. I had the one that you see on the channel that's used mostly for the light, and it can also hold a GoPro. However, when I finally bought my new GoPro, that's gonna be another video on the channel, I had trouble getting it in, so decided to buy the actual harness. I have two of these for a special project I'll be doing with another person who will also have a GoPro on. That's on another channel. And I'll be showing you just how great this is, hopefully. So let's open this up. In this particular Amazon package, I also have a drone. That'll be another video on the channel. I hope you guys are using the links listed below. So see here, so you open up the plastic and this is what you see. It's nicely packaged. Gotta pull these off very easy. Everything's gotten so much easier to open. So just slide these off. You can tell I'm in New York, you hear the police sirens in the back. Let's see. And just unwind. Wow, this is very easy. Very, very easy. 1, 2, 3. Just pull all these little gadgets off. And voila! You have your GoPro harness. Okay. And you can tell this is very, very well made elastic here. Just gonna simply unsnap that. Ding! Put this babbo on. Okay, see I'm Batman today. And adjust it to your chest size. And here I have my GoPro. Now it comes with, obviously, it comes with its own, I'll show you. So it comes with one of these already ready to install. 1, 2, 3. Actually, now I have 3 of these because I tend to break things. And I already have the one that came with the GoPro, so I'm going to just put that in there. So pull that up so you can see this. Stick that in. My braid's out the way. Sorry. And hold it up. And I am all set for all my adventures. Woo! Turn that babbo on. Ta-da! 1, 2, 3, like literally out the box. You're ready to go run, fight, fish, do whatever it is you do. Thanks for watching.